ChatGPT is getting a massive brain upgrade, and if you've been using the free version, you're about to get a huge upgrade too. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to for the latest tech news. OpenAI is rolling out a brand new memory system that changes how the chatbot remembers your life, your hobbies, and your deepest secrets. Back when ChatGPT got memory, it was pretty dumb. You had to practically scream at the bot to make it remember a basic fact, and over time, it forgot things anyway. To fix this, tech experts created a creepy-sounding background process called dreaming. While you aren't talking to it, the bot quietly reviews all your old chats, connects the dots, and figures out who you actually are. Now, ChatGPT is creating a secret cheat sheet summary of your entire life that you can read, edit, or delete whenever you want. It pairs with a feature that shows you exactly why the bot knows what it knows. If you ask for holiday tips, it'll remember that you love street photography and suggest the perfect camera spots. It also knows when time passes, so it won't confuse a vacation you took last year with a trip you're planning next month. The best part? Free users are finally getting in on the action. Previously, only paying subscribers got the smart dreaming memory. Now, thanks to some major tech breakthroughs that make the bot way more efficient, free accounts will soon start building these automatic memories too. Meanwhile, Premium Plus and Pro users will get a massive boost to their total memory capacity, so the bot can remember even more about them. This has already rolled out for premium users in the US, but don't worry if you live elsewhere or use a free account, because it will reach the rest of the world over the next few weeks. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.